Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how we can create a user and how we can delete a user, right? So adding a user and deleting a user is one of the most crucial part in learning Linux, right? So let us start with that. Okay, let me switch to sudo user. Okay, and let me clear the screen. Now in order to add a user in Linux, we have a wonderful command, that is add user, and it is very simple, right? And followed by the username, so it would be, when you press enter, the user is created. Okay, now it is giving me the error that the home directory already exists, which means that user is already there. Okay, what we'll do, we'll create another user. So add user test. When I press enter, the user is now created. Now in order to verify whether the user is created or not, we make use of cat command, cat /etc/passwd. Enter, and you can see that test user is created. And previously we got a prompt that user already exists. Why? Because that user was already created. All right. Okay, now in order to demonstrate cat command, okay, let us do something. We'll create one file. So we'll do something like echo, this is a text, and I want to create a file named new. Enter. When you press ls, you'll see that new file is created there. So I'll tap on cat and press the command new. Enter. So this is our text, which is the content of new file is been displayed over there, right? Okay, so basically cat command is used to read a content of a file, right? Just as we read that the user is created or not, we verified yes, the user was created, which was displayed over there. Okay, so that is how we can read the content of a file. Okay, let us clear the screen by Control L or by typing clear. Okay, now in order to add password to that user, how would we can do that? We can make use of passwd followed by the username, that is test. Press enter. It will give you a prompt to enter a new password. I'll press 123 for now. It is giving me that it is a bad password. The password is shorter and it should be of 8 characters, and it is less than 8 character. Okay, so that is one of the greatest recommendation by Linux, and hence it is said one of the securest OS of all time, right? Although Linux is a kernel, right? Okay, now let us rewrite the password and press enter. Okay, it is saying that the user authentication is updated successfully. Okay, now in order to verify the same, cat user etc passwd. See, the user is created over there. Now in order to switch to that user, we make use of su space the username, that is test. Enter. And now we are over the user test. How we will be verifying that? You can see that test is appearing at the front. Okay, and we were previously on root, right? So that is how we can create a user. Now how do we delete a user? In order to delete a user, you just have to go back to sudo. It will again ask you for that, so press Ctrl C, or you can press exit. Okay, you are again back to root user. Let us clear the clutters that we have created over there. Now in order to delete a user, we make use of user del command and followed by the username. Press enter, and the user is deleted. In order to verify the same, we make use of cat /etc/passwd. Enter. Now you can see that the user doesn't exist over there, right? Okay, so that was all about how you can create a user, how you can delete a user. Okay, see you in the next one, and have a great day. Bye bye.